Sometimes you may post a comment on Threads, and afterwards some people will say they're not able to reply to your comment. Sometimes that happens because you've changed some settings. In this video, we'll show you how to solve this problem. For this, open the Threads application. After opening it, you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you click on that, here you can see the replies option. Click on replies. And when you click on that, here you can see every post that you have commented on. And here you can see the comment option also. Click on that. When you click on that, here you can see every comment. Your comment will be there too. And next to your comment, you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you click on that, here you can see post options. Click on post options. When you click on that, here you can see who can reply and quote. Sometimes it will be set to your followers or people you mention, something like that. That is why others are not able to reply to your comment. If you set it to anyone, everyone can reply to your comment. And here one more option is there, review and approve this reply. If it is turned on, only the replies you approve will be visible. So you can turn that off. After that, if anyone comments anything, it will be shown directly. Anyways, after that click on this done button. When you click on that, the settings will be saved. So after that, everyone can reply and quote to your comment on Threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.